Hi guys, this is a 3/4 PEX, and this is copper tubing side, or CTS plastic pipe. You used to see a lot of that, and you still probably might. They're very similar, but they're not the same. This fits snugly on that, but this will not. This PEX crimp ring will not fit on that. So you have to have this crimp ring, which is sizably bigger. Can't work it on PEX. This is for CTS, and you push the barb fitting in there and it pushes it out, so that tightens up pretty good. And then you can use the same kind of crimpers that you use for PEX and crimp it together, and make other crimpers for it. But there you go, you can do it.